Let's start with the most direct way to work with Felix, conversation. Let's say I run a few campaigns for my brand, apparel and gifts, and I'm trying to reduce wasted spend. I want to know something that seems really simple. Historically, answering this simple question often meant stumbling through mechanics like building dashboards, figuring out metrics, events, what cards to use, how to build them, how to analyze them. So instead, let's have a simple conversation with Felix. At any point, I can ask Felix what information it has access to. So in this case, I'm running gifts and apparel campaigns. So I asked if it has the information about that traffic I'm sending. As you can see, Felix found information about relevant campaigns. As a way to make future conversations easier, I also simply told Felix right in chat, these are the campaigns that matter to me. Felix saved this information and will refer to it in future chats when we discuss campaigns. Now, let's figure out if we're wasting spend by landing people on out-of-stock product pages. In this case, I want to know both the rate and the specific products for my campaigns that are having issues. As you can see, Felix is figuring out the approach, it's fetching relevant information, it's doing that analysis, and it's helping you understand the problem just as a colleague would. Felix comes with thinking and querying and tool calls, all expandable by default for traceability and trust baked right into that answer. So you can also just simply ask Felix about the approach directly in chat. One thing you might notice in this output are skills. Skills are a way to extend Felix's knowledge, its approach, and your own business context. So with skills, Felix can learn and improve with your organizational use. Like most Felix capabilities, skills can be built right in chat through conversation. And as you can see, Felix found out-of-stock rates for my campaigns, and it gave me a breakdown of those products just like I asked. I got the information I was looking for, but what about the next time I need it? I simply asked Felix to help me out. With this request in chat, Felix will now turn this analysis into a structured workflow. This means Felix will do the exact check again, the same way anytime I need it, without me explaining it all over again. Okay, this looks good. I'm just going to confirm by telling Felix to go ahead and build it. Now, this can take a little bit of time, so let me just jump to a workflow that Felix made for me earlier. As you can see, Felix and I built this workflow together. I can now quickly and easily have Felix run the same exact analysis anytime I want by using a simple @ command in chat. After chatting with Felix, I have visibility into my campaigns right now. With this workflow, I have visibility on demand anytime I need it. What about tomorrow? What about every day? My campaigns are always going to be running, and out-of-stock products are a lingering threat to my spend and customer experience. So at any time throughout my day or week, I want multiple types of analysis to be running on my behalf automatically. So to help with automating both the analysis and the evaluation, we can use something called background agents. As the name implies, background agents help you monitor your business and conduct investigations on your behalf. They're really great for monitoring key areas of your business and automating repetitive analysis tasks. Background agents can run prompts, execute structured workflows, and even build and send reports all automatically on a schedule or when triggered. They can even perform evaluations to highlight what matters and cut through that noise. Here, I have background agent that conducts merchandising analysis. It also runs a few workflows, synthesizes, evaluates, and it scores the results so I know if there's an issue needing my attention or not. So with chat, you can explore customer experiences and dig into questions through simple conversation. With skills and workflows, you can make context and processes consistently repeatable. And with those background agents, you can automate monitoring and repetitive analysis for your business.